and iconic landmarks lie hidden gems, tucked away in remote corners of this vast country. These hidden treasures offer a glimpse into the authentic heart of China, where time seems to stand still. Among these captivating destinations is Zhaoxing Dong Village, nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of Guizhou province. Here, in the heart of Dong minority territory, a world of cultural richness and natural beauty unfolds. Zhaoxing beckons travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, a chance to immerse themselves in the traditions and rhythms of a truly unique way of life. Prepare to be enchanted by the architectural marvels, vibrant customs, and warm hospitality of Zhaoxing, a place where every corner whispers tales of a bygone era. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the allure of this hidden gem, a testament to the enduring spirit of China's cultural heritage. Stepping into Zhaoxing is like stepping back in time. This traditional Dong village, home to over 2,000 residents, has preserved its unique heritage for centuries. The village is a living museum of Dong culture, where ancient customs and traditions are woven into the fabric of daily life. As you wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, you'll be greeted by the sight of traditional wooden houses, their distinctive sloping roofs adorned with intricate carvings. The air is filled with the sounds of Dong language, a tonal language that adds to the village's mystical ambiance. Everywhere you look, you'll find evidence of the Dong people's deep connection to their surroundings and their rich cultural heritage. The Dong people are known for their exquisite craftsmanship, particularly in textiles, embroidery, and woodworking. Their traditional clothing, adorned with intricate patterns and vibrant colors, is a testament to their artistic skills. As you explore the village, you'll have the opportunity to witness these crafts being practiced and purchase unique souvenirs to take home. No visit to Zhaoxing is complete without marveling at its architectural wonders, most notably the drum towers and wind and rain bridges. These structures are not merely architectural feats, but also serve as important social and cultural hubs within the village. Drum towers towering over the village are symbols of Dong identity and unity. These multi-tiered pagoda-like structures served as watchtowers in ancient times, warning villagers of approaching danger. Today, they are gathering places for festivals, ceremonies, and community events. The rhythmic beating of drums during these gatherings echoes through the village, creating an unforgettable auditory experience. Wind and rain bridges, as their name suggests, provide shelter from the elements while also serving as important social spaces. These covered bridges, often adorned with intricate carvings and paintings, span rivers and streams, connecting different parts of the village. They are places where villagers gather to chat, socialize, and enjoy the scenery. Life in Zhaoxing revolves around the rhythms of nature and the traditions passed down through generations. The Dong people have a deep respect for their environment and live in harmony with the land. Agriculture, particularly rice cultivation, is central to their way of life. The surrounding hillsides are carved into terraces, creating a breathtaking landscape of rice paddies that shimmer in the sunlight. The Dong people have developed sophisticated irrigation systems to sustain their crops, ensuring a bountiful harvest year after year. Witnessing the farmers tending to their fields, their movements synchronized and deliberate, is a testament to their deep connection to the land. Music and dance are integral parts of Dong culture, and you'll often hear the sounds of traditional instruments such as the lushing, a type of panpipe, and the xiao, a vertical flute, echoing through the village. The Dong people are known for their polyphonic singing, a unique form of choral music in which multiple voices harmonize without instrumental accompaniment. Section 5. Weaving through rice terraces and mountain trails. Beyond the charm of Zhaoxing village itself, the surrounding natural beauty is equally captivating. Towering mountains, lush forests, and sparkling rivers create a picturesque backdrop for outdoor adventures. One of the most popular activities is hiking through the rice terraces. The trails wind their way through the verdant landscape, offering stunning views of the village below and the surrounding mountains. As you ascend, you'll be greeted by the refreshing scent of pine trees and the sound of birdsong. For the more adventurous, there are also opportunities for trekking deeper into the mountains, where you can discover hidden waterfalls, ancient forests, and remote villages. These treks offer a chance to immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature and experience the raw beauty of Guizhou province. Section 6. A sensory feast, gastronomic delights of Zhaoxing. No exploration of a new culture is complete without indulging in its culinary delights, and Zhaoxing is no exception. The Dong people have a rich culinary tradition, and their cuisine is known for its fresh local ingredients and unique flavors. One of the must-try dishes is sour fish soup, a local specialty that is both tangy and spicy. The soup is made with freshly caught fish from the nearby rivers, fermented vegetables, and a blend of herbs and spices. It's a true explosion of flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. Another popular dish is sticky rice, a staple food in many parts of Southeast Asia. In Zhaoxing, sticky rice is often steamed in bamboo tubes, giving it a subtle sweetness and a unique aroma. It's a versatile dish that can be eaten for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Section 7. Finding your way to Zhaoxing. Getting to Zhaoxing is an adventure in itself, but the journey is well worth the effort. The nearest major city is Guizhou, which is well connected by air and rail to other parts of China. From Guizhou, you can take a bus or hire a private car to Zhaoxing. The bus ride from Guizhou to Zhaoxing takes about 3 to 4 hours and offers scenic views of the countryside. The road winds its way through mountains, valleys, and traditional villages, giving you a glimpse into rural life in Guizhou province. If you prefer a more comfortable and convenient option, you can hire a private car and driver. This option allows you to travel at your own pace and make stops along the way to take photos or explore. Section 8. When to embark on your Zhaoxing adventure. The best time to visit Zhaoxing is during the spring, from March to May, or autumn, from September to November. During these seasons, the weather is pleasant, with mild temperatures and sunny skies, making it ideal for outdoor activities and exploring the surrounding countryside. Spring brings vibrant colors to the landscape as the rice terraces are filled with water, and the surrounding hillsides are covered in blooming flowers. Autumn paints the village in hues of gold and red as the leaves change color, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Summer, which spans from June to August, can be hot and humid in Zhaoxing, but it's also the time when the rice paddies are at their lushest. Winter, from December to February, can be cold, especially at night, but it offers a different perspective on the village as the mountains are often shrouded in mist, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Section 9. Practical tips for an enriching experience. To make the most of your visit to Zhaoxing, here are a few practical tips. First, learn a few basic Mandarin phrases. While English is not widely spoken in Zhaoxing, the locals are friendly and welcoming. Learning a few basic Mandarin phrases, such as greetings and simple requests, will go a long way in enhancing your interactions. Next, pack comfortable walking shoes. Zhaoxing is best explored on foot, so comfortable walking shoes are essential. The streets are mostly cobblestone, so be prepared for uneven surfaces. Also, bring cash. While there are a few ATMs in Zhaoxing, they may not always be reliable, especially during peak season. It's best to bring enough cash to cover your expenses. Lastly, be respectful of local customs. The Dong people are proud of their culture and traditions, so it's important to be respectful. Ask permission before taking photos of people, and be mindful of your behavior in sacred places. Section 10. Reflections on a journey into Dong culture. My journey to Zhaoxing Dong village was an unforgettable experience, one that left an indelible mark on my soul. It was a journey into the heart of China's cultural heritage, a chance to witness the traditions and rhythms of a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. From the moment I stepped foot in the village, I was captivated by its charm and authenticity. The architectural marvels, the vibrant customs, the warm hospitality of the Dong people, all of it conspired to create a truly magical experience. As I wandered through the narrow streets, listening to the sounds of Dong language and the rhythmic beating of drums, I felt a sense of peace and tranquility wash over me. It was a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life, a chance to reconnect with simpler times and appreciate the beauty of human connection. Section 11. Zhaoxing, a timeless village, beckons. Zhaoxing Dong Village is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a journey into the heart of China's cultural tapestry. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where ancient traditions are kept alive, and where the warmth of the Dong people will stay with you long after you've left. If you're seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, a chance to immerse yourself in a truly unique culture, and a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home.